Right after retirement, today I'm showing you how I fix backyard patio screen door latch. So this my backyard screen latch actually is broken by half, and I'm going to just simply glue them and paint them. Either I can use the variant torch seal or using the welded two component. You just mix them together and then put it on the broken part. Then I use this to clamp them together, and it will cure overnight. And then I use the spray paint and just paint at both sides, and then I put it back on, and everything looks like new.